How's viewing, guys? Bar soap. You open it for me.
I didn't know you wanted to do it.
Okay. Pagpasok natin, pintuan. What's this?
What do you think?
Toilet. Yan yung toilet nila. Ayun. Oh, sorry. And then living room. Pintuan, then living room. Yan. Ito yung papunta sa taas. Mas maliit to kaysa dun sa isa. A little bit smaller, right, Habs?
Maybe.
Siya. Ito. Tapos ito yung kitchen. Ito yung dining. Yeah. Tapos garden. Ayan yung garden. Tapos dito yung storage. Ayan. And then taas. Stairs. Yan, stairs. Bathroom. Ano siya, yung bathroom nila. And then, first room, bedroom. Yan. Spacious lang siya, guys. Yan siya. Yan. Ito yung wardrobe. And then, office room, yan, pwede pag office table. And then, vanity. If you want vanity. Yan. Then, next room. Ito, malaki ito. Yan. Yan, pwede din vanity. Bed, side table. Dito, guys. Talagang, parang required yung side table. Tapos dito, ayan, wardrobe. Ayan siya. May CR pala to, Habs.
Ensuite.
Yeah. Huh? What?
An ensuite.
Ensuite. Ensuite. Oh, shower. Shower. Yan. And then, sa likod. O, di ba? Masyadong, yung space. Ginawan talaga nila ng paraan. Space. Dito sa likod. Ayan siya. Ginawa nilang wardrobe. Dalawa. Yun. Saka ito. And then, let's go. Dito. Ito. Kids room or office room. Ayan siya. Ito. Wardrobe. It is comes with this one? No.
Sometimes. I'm not sure if that one's built in or not. Or whether that's...
Sure. And then this one. The storage. Ayun lang, guys.